In front of me OnePlus Nord SC2, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the device will reach the highest speaker's volume, this value on the display then will change. So let's start. So as you can see, our device reached 114.3 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.